What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very dope video for you guys. I actually recently got some new RAM as well as a brand new M.2 SSD for my computer, so we're gonna upgrade it today. But I had the great idea to take the whole thing apart, dust it all, clean it all nice, maybe spruce it up, add some cool stuff, and take you guys through that entire process. I'm gonna list all the links on Amazon to my specs down below, so everything will be compatible if you want to copy my exact PC build. However, I wouldn't recommend doing that because my CPU is a couple generations old. It's an i7 7th gen, so if you want to go for something a little better and maybe a little cheaper, I recommend the newer i7s, the 8th gen, 9th gens. Those are really good, a big ramp up in performance. But I did overclock my i7 to 5 gigahertz. I won't be showing you guys how to do that, however. It's pretty damn hard, and I don't even remember how to do it, but we're just going to get into this, man. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. I'm going to put in a lot of work and make this thing good, so let's get it. If you're wondering what these wipes are, these are just Clorox, disinfectant wipes, just to get rid of any dust or finger oil or whatever the hell is on, my parts, and just to make it look a little cleaner, look a little shinier and better once I put in the new RAM and all that in there as well. But yeah, man, this is just an amazing graphics card. The 1660 Ti has never let me down. I just really love it, and for the price you can't really go wrong at all, so definitely recommend it. Alright, so I'm actually going to take my front fans off because they are just so dusty, and I got some wipes. We're going to wipe them down. I'm not going to take my motherboard out, but we're going to take everything else out, dust it all, clean it all. Super nice. We're going to re-manage all the cables. I got a bunch of zip ties, and we're just going to clean it all up, put the new upgrades in, and start it up. So as you guys saw, I cleaned my two front fans. We're going to go ahead and clean the rest of the system. You can see there's dust everywhere, but I'm not going to take the motherboard out. We're just going to clean everything. I'm going to take off the entire CPU cooler, clean everything. I don't have any thermal paste on hand, unfortunately, so I can't replace the thermal paste, but we're going to clean everything up, slap the RAM sticks in, put the SSD in, rehook it all up, and we'll pretty much be done from there. Alright guys, here's a look at the cable management on the back. I did a pretty damn good job. It was really bad before. You can see all these cables are really nicely tied down. For the most part, this was tucked here pretty nicely before, but I kind of fucked it up. Right now I'm having a predicament because these are the LED things and I can't figure out where to connect this one. So I need to figure that out and then put the RAM sticks in and the SSD, and then we're basically done. Okay, so I solved my little problem. This was the thing I was missing. It goes inside of there, and then that will connect to this one. And then all the LEDs, the fans, and all that will be connected. So let's put in the RAM and the SSD and finish this thing off. Pretty much all cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and put these little power supply shrouds back on, and we're pretty close to being done. All we gotta do really is just put the RAM and the SSD in, and then clean my graphics card and put it back in there as well. Alright guys, so let's put in our new RAM, the G.Skill Trident Z Neo RGBs. These are probably the most gorgeous looking RAM I've ever seen. You'll see once I turn it on, these things really look amazing. So here we go. Only got 2 sticks, so we're gonna put them in the gray slots, of course, because I know what I'm doing. My friend had an issue with his PC because he put the RAM in the wrong slots. I don't know how the hell it was running, but it was still running with the RAM in the wrong slots. It was insane. My boy Nathan, I fixed his PC for him, I remember that. Shout out to you, Nathan. But let's get this thing in here. Don't want to put it the wrong way, of course. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I think it looks very clean. Really fucking nice, man. I'm super happy with the job I did today. I think it looks really, really nice. Definitely was worth it. I thought it was kind of a little unnecessary at first to gut it all and clean it, but it definitely did a hell of a difference. I mean, just look at how brand new this thing looks. But yeah. Alright, so that's going to be the video, guys. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and comment down below what you guys think of the PC upgrades. And that's going to be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again. Peace.